Can you eat feed zoysia grass? Zoysia is a warm season grass that was introduced to the United States from Southeast Asia. The grass is hardy and drought tolerant, which makes it an ideal turf grass for southern lawns. Zoysia will also stand up to applications of wheat and feed products. Significance. Weed and feed is actually two different steps that are undertaken at the same time. Weed is the application of an herbicide to kill long weeds, while feed refers to the application of fertilizer. Types. There are two types of weed and feed products commercially available for your lawn. One type uses atrazine as its active herbicide ingredient. The other type uses 2,4-D, dicamba makeup rub. Certain lawn grasses that are sensitive to one type of herbicide are tolerant of the other. Benefits. Zoysia grass is tolerant to atrazine, 2,4-D, dicamba makeup rub. This means that you can use both types of weed and feed product on a zoysia lawn.